you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Stylevana for February. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so February's products for 2023 just arrived. Stylevana did send me these for review, so thank you so much for sending me your products to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys know, if you saw last video, they are now doing new kits, and it's all based on 2022's best products and new release products from brands. I really like that they are doing that, especially it makes it so much easier to where you can buy everything in one kit and save money versus just buying everything individually like you normally do. Because Stylevana literally is your one-stop shopping for anything and everything Asian beauty related. They have all types of brands, and at least shopping with Stylevana, you know all the products are authentic and you're going to get what you actually paid for. They also have one of the lowest thresholds when it comes to the free shipping, and I do have my own code which would save you 10 to 15% off. That is INF10 SheCrafty. And when it bumps up to that 15% is when whatever is accumulated in your cart is over $59 US. It's different for different countries, but for US, it would be anything over $59, then the 15% will kick in. Again, they also have the very low threshold with free shipping, so you normally don't have to even pay for shipping, and they have quick shipping as well, and everything comes protected. I will link them down below, but again, INF10 SheCrafty will get you that 10 to 15% off. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's check out this kit. I'm so excited. Last kit was super neat. I love that it's basically all a skincare routine all into one, and it's just one-click shopping with this kit. That's all you need. And then it would bump it up to the 15% off, and you would have free shipping. Definitely with this kit. So this is how it comes. Everything is all nice and protected down inside. So this kit here that they sent to me, it's the Vana Family Pro Aging Kit number 1. And if you guys wanted to know, like before they started doing these kits, if these were my products that they were sending, and let's just say you wanted to purchase all of them, you would have to get them all individually. Buying all of these individually is $154.49. But in this kit, you save 52%, and it makes it only $73.99. And again, the 15% will come off, and you'll have free shipping. So there's 7 products total in this kit. Let's go with the first one right here. I absolutely love this brand. I've used several products from this brand, and I've loved everything thus far. This is the CICA Double Mist. And let's get this opened. Ooh, and I love that green, like it's all green inside, that it's like oil that needs to break down a little bit, so you need to shake that up. But that was really cool because then it blended in with the color green, it matched. I don't see anything on the packaging, but it's just like a normal mist. You just spray your face. So whenever you want a little mist, you just pump it up. It has a nice slight, like very light mist. If you can see that, watch. Can you see that? Spray my whole neck down. So there's that. That is really neat. Up next, we have an Aloe BHA Skin Toner. Let's get this one opened. I love a toner because I use them every single day. And what it says is, after shaking the toner, apply an appropriate amount evenly to the skin and softly pat until fully absorbed. So after you have a nice clean skin, put your toner on, and then whatever you would like to do with your normal skincare routine. So there is that. Next we have is a Retinol Intense Reactivating Serum. Ooh, there's that, and I like that dark purple color. Let's get this one opened. Oh, that is super neat. I love that. It is like dark, deep purple, but it's like a glass bottle. Now it makes sense on why this is purple. It matches. How to use. Apply a moderate amount at the step of using a serum after cleansing. Massage it gently over the face. Lightly pat to absorb. So after cleansing and toning, you would use this as your serum and just put it on your face, pat it to absorb. Ooh, it looks like a nice thick consistency actually. Ooh, look at that. It definitely, ooh, she's thick. That's a bubble, bubble. But it is really thick versus like a serum that's really, really liquidy. So that's going to be interesting, but it is a retinol intense reactivating serum. Up next, we have a daily sun care cream. And I love when there is a sunscreen or a sun cream in this box because I always say how important it is to protect our skin from this rays. Good to keep in your kids' backpack. Start them early if you want. But this is an SPF 50 plus PA+++. It is a 50 ml, and I'm always outside either with the chickens, doing something in the yard or in the garden. So I literally have these everywhere, at least just to toss on my face, in my arms. It's normally what is all exposed to the sun, but I love having these. These are a great size. You can toss them down in your purse, your car, your book bag, your beach bag, your sports bag, wherever. Again, your kid's backpack. You can put these wherever, and I like that they are a nice size. So there is a sunscreen, protect your skin. Now we have is a ginseng cleansing oil. Yes, this is definitely like a whole little routine. You cleanse your face, you tone your face, you have your serums, you have your mist in between. There's a few other products, but I'm definitely digging these kits that they're doing. I was so excited. So excited when they emailed me saying that's what they were going to do this year. I like literally jumped for joy. I'm like, that is amazing, because then you get it at a discounted rate. And if you want the whole kit, it's one-click shopping. Like I said, I like that. So here's this. I think one time I got a small bottle of this and I really did enjoy it. This is a nice large one with the pump on it. I always start with either a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil before I get in the shower, because you do that on a dry face. And then I always get into the shower and use a normal cleanser. Then when I get out, my face is double cleansed. I use my toner and then whatever I'm going to use on my face for that night. So that is great that you're, again, starting off with your skincare routine by cleaning your face right. Now we have is the Onion New Pair Gel Cream. I believe this one was in last month's box, and I really, really did enjoy it. At first I was like, is it gonna smell like onion? And it doesn't, thankfully. This is the gel cream. Right there is the packaging. How to use. At the last stage of skincare, apply a suitable amount onto the face. Then gently tap your face for better absorption. And that's what it looks like inside. And if you want to see the consistency of it, it looks like that. And it feels amazing. So last step, you put this on your face, do a little paddle do ya to get it in, and you will be waking up with some nice soft skin the next morning, because I did when I was using this. So there is that guy. And then there's one more product in here, and this says Bulgarian Rose Water Hydrogel Eye Patch. There's that. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. So it comes down in this container like that. Definitely going with the rose, like the rose gold to go with the rose water. And then when you open it up, you do have a little scooper outer. And that is what they look like. They're a nice light pink. Let me see if it tells me how many are in here. I'm not seeing anything quickly that tells me how many are in here. It might say online, but there are a lot in here to use for like left and right eye. It says this 100% water suitable hydrogel eye patch is packed with moisturizing and nutrient-rich Bulgarian rose water that keeps skin subtle, hydrated, and glowing. How to use. After cleansing and toning, place the eye patch on the desired facial area using the enclosed spatula. Remove after 20 to 30 minutes. So again, you have this whole thing full of them. Use 2 at a time. Stick them on your face, 20 to 30 minutes. Pull them off. And there's that. So that is everything that came in this kit, you guys. So a quick recap, you have the eye patches, you have the gel cream, you have the cleansing oil, you have a toner, you have a facial mist, you have the sunscreen, and a serum. All right, you guys. So that is everything for this kit. Oh my gosh. Again, I'm so excited that they're doing this. So every single month, they're going to be coming out with new kits with the new products to save you money. And that is amazing. So you guys comment down below and let me know, what did you think of the products in here? What do you think of the kits? What do you think of the ideas of having new kits every month so you can save money by buying everything like a whole routine in one? Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.